Okay, so the first station, station 1, is a titration. So we have a burette here that's full, and this is the other equipment at the station. Okay, so the first step says to weigh out some of the unknown nickel sample, and you can see here, this is our unknown nickel compound, and I've already weighed it out. So that is the amount we weighed out. I'm just going to take the cover off to show you what that looks like. And then I'm going to transfer that to the Erlenmeyer flask and finish the sample prep by adding the ammonia in the hood and an indicator tablet. And I will get that set up here in a second. Okay, so I've prepared the sample. We've got the stir bar in there. The other thing you need to record is the concentration of the EDTA. Okay, so that's what goes in the burette, or that's what's in the burette. And then we have to add an indicator tablet, which I already got one here in the cap. And put the indicator tablet in. And now we have to get that to dissolve. And then we'll read the initial value on the burette, or at least show the camera to it. And then we'll titrate, and you'll read the final value of the burette. Okay, so the tablet has dissolved, and we're spinning. And I'll put that underneath the burette here in a second, but we need to read the initial value, or the initial volume on the burette. So here's the burette, and you'll probably need a background on here for you to read it. Okay, so that's the initial volume reading on the burette. Okay, so we're near the purple endpoint, and so I'm going to add a few more drops, and then we'll read the final burette. Okay, so we're just going to see how long it stays purple, or if it's going to stay purple. Looks like it needs just one more drop. There we go. That's a really good purple. Alright, so now we'll need to read the final value of the volume on the burette. Okay, so this is the final value on the burette. Let me get the background in there for you so you can see it. That's not all that. Sorry, trying to focus. Okay, so hopefully you should be able to read that at the bottom of the meniscus there.